Planning to explore Rio de Janeiro, but don't want to carry your luggage all day? RadicalStorage offers a fast and secure way to store your bags while you enjoy the city. In this guide, I'll show you how to deposit your luggage at a storage point in Rio de Janeiro using RadicalStorage, a trusted platform with secure and insured storage services. RadicalStorage partners with local businesses like hotels, shops, and cafes, providing a secure place to store your luggage while you explore. You could search for RadicalStorage online, but be cautious of phishing sites. For guaranteed safety, use the secure link in the guide to access the official RadicalStorage website. Once there, it's easy to find a luggage storage point in Rio de Janeiro. Simply type Rio de Janeiro into the search bar, and you'll be shown a list of available storage locations across the city. Choose a location that's convenient for you, whether near tourist attractions like Sugarloaf Mountain or transit hubs such as Santos Dumont Airport. Next, select the drop-off and pick-up times that suit your schedule and proceed to the payment process. RadicalStorage ensures your online transactions are secure, so you can confidently book your luggage storage. Once your booking is confirmed, you'll receive a reference number and directions to your selected storage point. When you arrive, show the reference number to the staff, and they will securely store your luggage. That's it. Now you can explore Rio de Janeiro luggage-free, with the assurance that your belongings are safe with RadicalStorage. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.